Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on this 2015, it's a Nissan Altima. I'm diagnosing the car. So the customer complaint is that when they're driving the car, anytime they make a left turn or right turn, the car seems to cut off. But when you're driving, you're going straight, the car don't shut off. So they brought the car to me. So one thing that I've noticed in the car, I'm going to bring you guys along to show you. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, supporting boy. It takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. But I believe that there's nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Someone help me to get it. Please help me by subscribing, comment, questions. You know. So in any way, let me bring you guys along and show you what I noticed as well. Maybe somebody might have had this kind of problem before. It must be KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. By the way, this car have 158,000 miles. That is what it got. So as you can see, this is the battery right there. The car is running right now. It has 13 point something, you know. When I didn't turn up the air conditioner, it was 14 when I tested it. But when I put on the air conditioner, the light, there was a fluctuation. It was going down to like 14 point something. Now I see it dropping, but there is no battery light. But here is the kicker, right? Let me see where I can put this thing right now. Let me move this guy. Okay. Alright, let me move this guy to side here. Put this guy now. Please pardon me. I'll put this guy where you guys can see. So when you look down here, right, just keep your eyes on this place here. You can still see, you see it's still reading 13 point something. Anytime I turn the way, right, see it's dropping, right? Anytime I turn the wheel to the left, you see it drops to 12. Watch it there now. Then when I release it, see it went back. Straighten the wheel now. I'll go back this way. See, it even dropped down to 11. You can see, I turn it to the right hand side. It dropped down to 11. 11. That means the car is running on just the battery alone. Okay. I release it, see it jump quickly to 13. You guys can see that. But I'm turning the wheel, but you can't see me turning the wheel. See? It dropped to 11 right there. So I'm gonna straighten the wheel now. Just keep your eyes there. See, now it dropped to 13. So anytime I turn the wheel, see, I'm holding the wheel to the left hand side there now. It's right on 11. 11. 11. I release it, it jumped to 13. Hold it right there, 11. Release it, right there. So I'm thinking that you need though there is no light on the dashboard, but I'm suspecting the alternator. So I hold it right there. You can see 11. Let it go. So that's what is going on, guys. So I'm taking the car for a ride right now. So one thing I do notice as well, when I make a turn, the car will shut off. Just like when I was turning the car, the battery go down, the voltage. It's the same thing when I drive the car. As soon as I make a turn, just a little short turn, the car will just cut off on me. You start the car, it started right up. But as soon as I make that turn, like I said, I'm suspecting the alternator, no lights come up on the dashboard, but I do suspect alternator. So I will keep you guys posted what happened. All right, KG.